Sabah everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you some brand new cases from Rhinoshield for the Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL. This is TK, let's check them out. Like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever we push out new videos on the channel. So the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL came to me with these cases. These are Google provided cases and you're able to pick them up directly from their site. The cases that we're going to be reviewing today are made by a company called Rhinoshield. So we have the Solid Suite and the Solid Suite on the right side. They again, both, we have three different styles and we're going to go through one at a time. We're going to see basically how do they look on our device. So the first one we're going to open up is the Solid Suite right here. It does have a nice protector on the back to keep it really nice and shiny. And very nice. It's a slightly non-slip material here on the back. It gives us access to the fingerprint sensor. It covers actually all around. So let's go ahead and insert. And then there's that honeycomb mesh inside to provide us a little bit of a space between them. So if there's any heat, it should be able to dissipate pretty easily. And then we'll go ahead and put it in. And of course, it fits very nice. Buttons are clicky. And of course, opening for the 3.5mm headphone jack, as we have that here. One of the microphones, camera sensors are protected. And we do have that nice little groove here to keep it protected. And the fingerprint sensor, of course, very easy. Nothing on the left, but we do have on the left here, we do have a lanyard opening here. So if you'd like to use that. Bottom firing speakers are exposed so that we can still get the stereo speakers availability as well as the USB-C port. Definitely very, very nice. And then of course we have Rhinoshield branding on this side. Now this one will pretty much look exactly the same here on the 3A. So let's go ahead and switch to the Solid Suite. And I think this one has the carbon fiber on it. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Same thing, we have a plastic cover protector, so you can see the difference between the two. The material on the top is for the most part the exact same, except in here we have carbon fiber material mixed. It definitely very unique. So let's go ahead and try it out with the Pixel 3a. So that was the 3a XL. Again, both of them have the exact same cases. So let's show you it there. That's the carbon fiber one. And as you can see right there, the volume rocker and the power button are both very nice. You can basically click them, turn on the screen, turn it off. And what you get essentially is basically a raised fingerprint sensor and a camera right there, as well as the actual raised front here. Now, we're definitely going to get a chance to check out this really nice thing. I'm looking at the last cases, these nice little accent buttons. Both the 3A and the 3A XL have customized color buttons, and these cases are coming in with black buttons. So what we also have from Rhinoshield is the ability of customizing the buttons on these cases. So we'll get a chance to check that out. Let's go ahead and open up the last case. We'll put these ones on the side. So this is the crash cart case. This is more of a bumper style case. Let's go ahead and take out this one. And the beauty of this one is that you get the full opening on the back. Now there is no cover on the back, so for the most part, basically your device, if you're putting it on a table, you need to basically rely on somewhat of a little lip that they have there to provide that little extra space between the device and the table itself. The same protections on the front, basically the buttons are all there, the openings for all the ports on the top, on the bottom for the microphones are there. Where it gets very, very unique is that when we basically, let's say, want to be able to match one of them. So let's go ahead and open up this package. Now they do sell this separately. This is not included in the cases, but you are able to basically pick up the customized buttons on this. So go ahead and open it up. I'm going to try to match it. I'm going to go with, well, actually, let's go with this. I like to go with the yellow one or the green one. I'll go ahead and go with the green button on this case. So the only thing you need to do essentially is go in there, and you can see these are actually kind of removable. So just pop it in, push it all the way in, and here it is. The black buttons come out, and then you're able to insert the green one right in its spot, and then you just need to make sure to put it all the way in. So it actually becomes an accent button, exactly the way the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL have it. So I'll go ahead and insert it right there. And then now we have a nice accented color fingerprint, well, basically the power button on the 3A and the 3A XL. And you could do pretty much the same thing on both of these devices. Just match it to the case that you want, go in there, pop out the actual key that comes with it. So there's another black one right there. And then we're going to go with, let's go with the yellow one. The yellow one will stand out very nicely. And of course, just set it up all the way in the best way you can. Put it in there. And here you go. Accented cases and colors for the 3A and the 3A XL, specifically made from Rhinoshield. The Rhinoshield cases look very, very nice. I like specifically the option to be able to basically customize the power button. I know it's a little detailed, but the fact is that the 3A and the 3A XL have very basically vibrant colors that even though I have the purplish color devices, they had that very bright, you know, basically almost neon yellow kind of a thing. And it's hard to translate that whenever you put them in a case. So if you want to go with a full case cover, like either this with the carbon fiber or with the straight one, This looks really nice. And of course, you can get that little accent button so that you know, and this is basically a Pixel 3a or 3a XL. If you want to go with the more of a bumper style, basically the crash guard that they have, it keeps the back exposed, but it does actually allow us to enjoy the actual color of the device as well as a customized color option. And as you saw, the packet comes with different colors. You had a white one, a red one, a black one, a green one, as well as a yellow one. So you're always going to be able to customize your device and get it the way you like. I want to say thank you very much to Rhinoshield for allowing me to check out these cases. Like and subscribe as usual, and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think. Of course, links to all of these cases will be in the description below, so hopefully you guys can find one that, matches your style. I'll see you guys in the next video.